how to connect mic to PS4. What is going on, guys? It's Hemi Jarvis, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to connect this Blue Yeti microphone to your PlayStation 4 so that you can start chatting with your friends, and also you're gonna be able to hear your game sound coming out of whatever earphones you want to use with this microphone. So before we get into this, let me just show you guys what I'm gonna be using here, and just follow all the steps that I'm gonna show y'all in this video, and you should be good to go. All right, so first thing I want to point out is this microphone is the Blue Yeti, so you can whatever earphones you got, as you can see, this is like a regular pair of earphones. You can put any kind of earphones in this little hole down here, that so that you can hear your game sound come out of the earphones, and you'll be able to speak in the mic, and you also can hear other people chatting with you and stuff like that. So make sure you get you some earphones and then use this microphone. Then you're gonna plug this plug here inside of the Blue Yeti. This is just a USB, so you can connect it to your your PlayStation 4. All right, so there's the Blue Yeti. The light is blinking on here because it is I got the mic on mute. All right, so what you want to do, guys, plug the Blue Yeti plug, the USB plug that you got hooked up to your Blue Yeti. You're gonna plug it up to your PlayStation 4 console, as you can see if you look down there, right there. All right, so plug it into your PlayStation 4 console. That's all I did. See, as you can see, this plug is running to the PlayStation 4 console down there. Now, all you're gonna do is make sure that you tap that button so that the light will stay red, a solid red color. All right, so that you'll be able to talk to your friends and stuff through this microphone right here. So the mic is hooked up. Now what we're going to have to do, guys, is go into our settings so that we can make sure that we can hear our video game sound coming through these headphones here that I got hooked up to the mic. All right, so all you're going to do to do that, let me show you. So I got the mic hooked up to the PlayStation. Once your mic is hooked up to your PlayStation via USB, all you're going to do, take your controller, you're going to go up and over to your settings, which is right here. Hold on, let me show you guys. Just scroll over till you see settings. You open up the settings box, and once you have settings open, you're just going to go down until you see devices. Once you click on device, just hit X on devices. You want to go down to audio devices. All right. You click audio devices, and you will see all of these settings right here. All right. So this is how you're going to make sure that the your video game from your TV is going to come out of here. If you want to hear your video game coming out of here, you can already chat using this mic. As you can see, if you look on the screen there, it says that input device USB headset Blue Yeti. This is the Yeti. So the Yeti, just to make sure you guys know what I'm talking about, the Yeti is this microphone. So this is the input device, as you can see, and then the output device is USB headset Yeti. Again, that's this mic right here. So all that means is that you are able to talk in this mic, and you're able to hear the sounds of other people talking in this mic as well. I mean, like other people, you'll hear the sounds in your earphones. All right, so now that we're on this setting screen, if you guys get confused by anything, just leave a comment below, and I'll answer any questions. But you simply going to go down. It says, let's see, you're going to go down to this right here where it says output to headphones. You're going to click X. And if you want to hear your video game music and stuff coming out of the headphones that we got hooked up to the Blue Yeti microphone, just turn this on, which is all audio. All right. And once you do that, you should be able to hear the sounds coming out of here, guys. The video game sound coming out of here. But if you don't have to turn this on. You can leave this on chat audio if you just want to be able to hear people's when they talk to you. You don't want to, let's say you don't want to hear the video game sounds. You just want to hear people talking to you coming through your earphones. Then you just leave it on chat audio. And if it's on chat audio, then just know that the sound will still come out of your TV. Like the game sound will come out of your TV, but you will be able to hear people when they talk to you. You'll be able to hear it through these headphones that's connected to the Blue Yeti microphone. All right. And that's how you do it, guys. It's that simple. That's how you connect a mic to your PS4. Be sure to leave comments below if you got any questions. I will answer each and every question. If I can, I'll read your comments and I will see if I can get back to you on it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, because the more you guys support my channel, the more this channel can just keep growing and I can keep providing more and more content for you guys. Subscribe if you're interested in seeing videos on the PlayStation 5 console. I will be making those when they come out, so be sure to subscribe. But yeah, this is a video on how to connect a mic to your PS4 console. And the mic that I just hooked up is the Blue Yeti. You could check the description box below to see if you can purchase the Blue Yeti for yourself. I will have a link in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, just check the description box for anything that's in this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing a PS4 or anything, just check out the description. I may get a small commission or something like that, but yeah. So Blue Yeti, I highly recommend this mic right away, because it's very clear sounding. And you know, when you hook your earphones up to it, it's like it works pretty clear and pretty good. I like it. This is what I use for most of my gaming experiences. So I thought I would just share this video with you guys to hopefully give you guys a good gaming experience as well. So yeah. So with that said, man, just go ahead and try this out for yourself. And, you know, let me know how it goes. If it didn't work for you, then post it below in the comment section. I'm going to try to see what could have went wrong if it didn't work. But let me tell you guys about these other controls before I get off of here. This right here, the switch output device automatically, I would leave that checked. Because as you can see there, it says if you turn off this setting, the PS4 will not automatically switch the audio output device to a new one, such as headset you connect. So leave this box down here checked. You know, unless you want to do all the stuff manually, I highly recommend y'all leave that checked. Again, if you want to hear the sound of the game coming out of your headsets, then turn this on all audio. And as you can see, the television is no longer playing the sound of the game. It's all coming through my headset here. I'm gonna see if you guys can hear it. You can barely hear it. I'll have to turn everything up, but yeah. But let me turn this back on chat audio. You could turn up the volume of your headphones just by turning this up or down, however you like it. You'll hear it through the yeah, you can do that there. And adjust microphone levels. You don't have to touch this at all, but just make sure that this is set to USB headset and not TV or AV amplifier. You want to make sure it's the top one, and make sure this input is set to the same way. And yeah, you should be good to go, guys. Again, I hope this video was helpful. If it helped you guys out at all, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'm definitely going to have more videos for you guys, so be sure to support the channel as much as you can. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching.